I'm Jen Bjorem, and I am the owner of Bjorem Speech Publications and the creator of the original deck of Bjorem Speech Sound Cues. I am excited to show you today our latest edition. It comes with 4 new cue sounds, and so I thought I would just go through the entire box, show you what's included, and give you a little bit more explanation about why I created these and how I use them. So these are visual cues for every sound in the English language. So each picture represents a sound. So many times when I'm working with parents, I have to really talk to them about, we're going to stop thinking about the letter and we're going to start thinking about the sounds. So we're going to teach the sounds first and then come in behind and pair the orthographic image or that letter with the sound. And this is a really quick and easy way for children to learn new sounds and the relationships between the sound and the letter. So let's get started. It comes in this little box. When you open it up, it has a little insert. It talks to you a little bit about the speech sound cues, what's inside, and then it gives you a little guide for speech and literacy, excuse me. So speech sound work, literacy work, it gives you some insight and some ideas of what you can do. When we look at the beginning of the deck, it comes with this short vowel cue card, and this is just kind of almost a vowel sort, or it shows the kids all the short vowels. So if you are working on short versus long, we have a card for short vowels and we have a card for long vowels. So kids can do some sorting and begin to understand the differences between short and long vowels. So I've got my trusty little Bjorem speech little jar here I made, and I'm just going to put the cues in there when I'm done. So this is just a great idea. You could create any type of little tub or holder. Kids love to go through the cue cards and just put them in. So I just love this idea. So I'm just going to set it here on my desk. So it's going to go in. All right, I'm going to go through the deck, show you the card. On the backs of the card, there are cues for every sound. So this is our scared sound. It's our monster with his mouth wide open, and he says, ah, like in the word cat. Ah! And I kind of make the little yelling sound, and the kids just love it, and they really pick up and learn the cues quickly. So on the back, this will help you. It's called the scared sound. It's short A, as in the word cat. Ah, ah. There you go. So that's how all the cards are cued. This one is eh, so that short E sound. This one is eh. Nobody likes to step in gum. When you go to the doctor, you say ah. This one is ah. Here is our long vowel sort. So it has all of our long vowels on it. And this is a great, like I said, this is a really great way to work on that short versus long vowels. A, A, it's our tropical bird. And so that's the sound he makes. This is our eating E. He says, eat, eat, eat. Ooh, this is a big I. So we say, I. This is our lady O. So we say, oh. We see how her mouth is round and big. This is our monkey. He says, ooh, ooh, ooh. This is our ow sound. He's definitely hurt. So we say, ow. This is our pig sound. We say, oi. This is our punching sound. Ugh. If you were to punch a punching bag, or if you were to watch a boxing match, you're going to say, ugh, when you get punched. All right. Now we are into our consonants. This is our popcorn sound. P, p, p. This is our sheep sound. B, b, b. We can also go b. This is our yummy sound. So I usually rub my tummy. Mmm. And it's just the single sound. So parents out there, if you're working these with your children, remember not to go ma Or I really don't like to even go ba. I like to go b, 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 or p, p. We don't want to go pa. We want to go p. So it's just the single sound in isolation. What's this sound? T, t. This is our tick-tock sound. T. Ooh, this is our drum sound. Da, da, da. I usually like pat my leg or pat the child's leg or pat the table or desk. Da, da, da. Pat the floor. Kids love this sound. This is our no, no, mama sound. No, 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 no. Sometimes I will use it for no, but I like to go back just to the sound. No, 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 no. This is our hot dog. He's very hot. So you can begin maybe with the tongue out a little bit and then pull it back in if you need help facilitating that sound. This is our fish sound. W, w, w. Lips out. Just the fish sound. W, w. This is our yucky sound. Yeah. Yeah. We could go yeah. You can make up any cue, hand cue you want to go along with it. The kids love to do it with you. Yeah. Oh, mad cat. You see how he's biting his bottom lip and his teeth are showing and he's mad? This helps the kids remember and understand that that sound goes with our mad cat. And then later on, you compare that orthographic image of the letter F. Oh, our vacuum sound. A lot of times I'll pretend like I'm vacuuming in my hand. You can see his teeth are also showing. And his voice is on, so he's louder than the mad cat. Is quiet. Voice is on. Oh, here's our coughing sound. A lot of times kids will actually cough. And that's good because that's that back sound. And if kids are working on getting it back, that's great. But then we want to work on softening it. And you can cough. This is our baby sound. G, g, like babies say goo, goo, gaga. Or a lot of times babies drink bottles and they'll go gulping. I've had some therapists transfer this to the gulping sound if kids are a little reluctant to act like a baby, goo, goo, gaga. So this is a great way to get that back sound, that g, g, that gulping. Babies like to gulp their milk, or that baby sound, g, g, goo, goo, ga, 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 ga. Our zipper sound, we can pretend to zip, zip, zzz. So if you've got a zipper or if you can pretend to zip, kids love to move along with you. Here's our quiet sound, shh. Put our finger to our lips. This is our quiet sound, as in the word shoe. Here's our choo-choo sound. I usually pull my arm down like a train. Shh. It's powerful. It comes out. Shh. This is our hairdryer sound, and it kind of can, it's our j sound. So you could do, you can even hold it out if you want. So I tend to hold the sound out just so the kids can feel the sound. J, and my name's Jenny, so we might hold it out a little bit. Jenny, and then we'll shorten it up. Jenny, yeah, that's your hairdryer sound. All right, we have two THs in the English language. We have voiceless TH and we have voice TH. So you can see his tongue is out, his eyes are closed, he is quiet, and he has to bite his tongue, like in the word think or three. But then we have a voice TH, which is the th sound, like in this or that. So these are really great differentiations. You can see that their tongues are both out. His eyes are closed, he's quiet, her eyes are wide open, and that B is there to help remind you that we have to not only, but we have to buzz our tongue. So with that voice on. So it's loud, B's are loud, you can hear them. This one does not have a B, it's quiet. So here's the difference. This is our singing lemur, la 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 la. So it's our, it's the letter L and the L sound. Here's our truck sound. So it helps get that R back there. This is our overgeneral R in this deck, and we have another deck of all the R's, and that's the red deck, and I'll explain that in another video. This is a new card. It's the ing, like in the word ring or bring. So it's a ing, and it's our doorbell sound, ing, and we can just kind of push a little, pretend to push a little button. This is also a new sound. This is our sizzle sound, and it's our ks sound. So it's our coughing sound plus our snake sound, and we actually put that on the back for you. So it represents the letter X. However, it is two sounds combined. And the last one is also a new sound, and this is our karate chop sound, and it's our qu sound. So the letter Q is represented here, and it's also two sounds. So it's our coughing sound plus our W sound. So if a child's having trouble motor planning or putting this together, you can pull these two cues, put them together, and show them the movement for both the sounds it takes to make the Q. So that is the Bjorem speech sound cues. There's so much you can do with literacy. I did not write the letters on the front of these cue cards for a reason. So you can work on pairing that letter to the sound once the child knows the sound cues. So of course, this would be paired with a G. This would be paired with a Z. It's so easy for kids to pick these up, and I start as young as 18 months. Many people ask me if we can work on these with kids in early intervention or in preschool, and the answer is yes. Begin with the sounds. Children love them. So I would love to have your feedback here. I'll put a link to the speech sound cues if you're interested in getting them, and check out my other videos here on YouTube so that you can learn more about ways that I use the speech sound cues. Thank you so much for tuning in. Follow me on Instagram at Bjorem Speech, and follow me on Facebook at Bjorem Speech, and reach out. I would love to hear from you. So thanks for stopping in and watching today.